Hello once again, Bruce Adams with SunGrow Marketing. I'd like to give you a quick update to our Black Gold website. If you go to our Black Gold website and take a look at the gardening articles, scroll down to the vegetable and gardening portion of the website. Here you can view all of our vegetable and edible gardening videos. And for example, you can see the how to grow tomatoes from seed to harvest. You can click read more, and here you can read the article if there's an article associated with it. In this example, it's a video on YouTube, and you can share this video on your own social media or to your customers. Then we also have added click here for a step-by-step PDF, and you can quickly share this on Facebook, Twitter, email it to a customer or Pinterest, and there's lots of other different options for you to get the information that's out there. But let's click on the step-by-step PDF. And after viewing that PDF, you'll see that this information is directly related to the video they just watched. All the steps to go from seed to harvest for tomatoes and using our products. Another point of interest is that you can download this PDF and send it to customers. You can store it on your desktop or another folder and then send that information out at another time. Another point I'd like to make, on the Black Gold website landing page, if you scroll down, you will see that we have grow your own videos. You click on read more, and that will take you to all the videos about growing your own vegetables. So help your customers be successful. Share this information with your independent garden centers so that their consumers will see it. And don't be afraid to put some of this on your own social media as well. Thanks for viewing, and we'll be back with more information. Take care.